morning, everybody. This is Jenn at Rockies. It's been a while since I've done this. I'm a little out of practice. I'm tethered, as you can see, so I have to be careful here. I just wanted to show you the Heritage Classic and this brand new awesome color called Blackjack Metallic, which makes me think of Las Vegas. It makes me want to go there, as I'm sure I'm not alone in that. But it's a beautiful, dark, sort of chocolatey brown. It almost looks black, but then we pushed it out into the sun so you can actually see it. And look at the new badging. It's pretty awesome. It's kind of got a retro look to it. So Pam's just getting a nice close-up there. And I'm going to start it up for you so you can hear what a stock exhaust looks like. A lot of people these days are, they want a quieter motor, so start it up. Can you get a close-up of this, Pam? So I'm just going to show you a close-up here of the console. It's totally modernized, which is awesome. You can see your fuel gauge right here. But we've managed to retain the classic cat eye design. I'm just scrolling through here. That's what this button is. So you've got your time, your RPMs. There's 1 kilometer on this brand new beautiful bike. And this actually shows you that you have 100 kilometers of fuel left in the tank, which is great for those of us who like to run out of gas. I'm just going to start this up so you can actually hear it. This is just stock exhaust. Sounds not too bad though. Oops.